Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Bacalar and I'm standing here with the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. I'm gonna unbox them right now, so you don't have to. Join me. We'll put the XL to the side for now, and let's get open the regular 4. Oh, there's a phone inside. We'll leave the phone to the side for a second, and let's see what other goodies we've got. It's the SIM card thingamabobber, I believe is what it's called, and some documentation. Wonderful. On the inside, a USB-C wire and a USB to USB-C dongle. Can't have too many of those, trust me. Alright, let's put that junk aside. And I guess let's open up the phone. Just falls right out. Alright, wow, that's a lot smaller than I thought. But here you have it, the Pixel 4. With its raised camera section in the back there. That's pretty cool. I like this sort of almost like a matted, frosted little backing. Really nice. Oh wait, I screwed up. I missed something. Turns out these bad boys run on electricity. Here's your little USB-C charger. Hiding. You fooled me once, little guy. You're not gonna fool me again. And now it's time for the Pixel 4 XL. This might be similar to the 4, just a little bigger. And there you have it, same deal, larger phone, put that to the side, SIM ejector, all that junk that comes in there that everyone just throws away immediately, and another USB-C cable, a regular USB to USB-C adapter, and there you are, you little sneaky power adapter. There you have it, folks. Terribly exciting. Let's unwrap the 4XL. And there you have it. The 4 and the 4XL. This one's in black, this one's in white. There are 2 colors out of the 3 that are offered. Let's turn them on. And just watch the views start rolling in. Okay, and that's it. There's no headphones, there's no headphone dongle, like a USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. That's it. You're just getting cable, adapter, charger, phone. You gotta buy everything else separately if you want it. Alright, is that worth it to you? Sound off in the comment section. And for a full review of the Pixel 4 and 4XL, keep it here at CNET.